everyone. Today I am coming at you with my 2022 planner setup. I'm going to let you know ahead of time, I already mentioned it on Instagram, that this is a very boring, basic, minimal setup for my planner. I'll go ahead and show y'all my last year's planner because it's sitting right here, and both of these are Estelle A5 wide clouds, and I am using Estelle inserts in both. This was my 2021 planner, and I have since separated 6 months of my planner into here and then 6 months of my planner into the Estelle SVC collab Blossom. I still haven't like set this one up yet. It's still like empty, but eventually when I'm feeling it, I will totally do a little setup in here. And if you guys want to see that, let me know. But this was my setup last year, and I think it's like, the thing is I was like putting together this one and I was like, what did I even put in my last setup? And when I looked, I wasn't like, oh, there's like so much more in here. I don't know why this is like, let me still stick that like that. There wasn't like, it's not like this is much more of a setup, but like maybe it just seems like it because it's like colorful and I have like a couple sticker sheets in here. But it just makes my other one feel a little bit like more minimal, but I love this one. It's very like Disney pastel rainbow hollow sparkly hollow vibes, which was kind of like not last year's vibe at all because I didn't do anything Disney related. But then there's this year's, which this is one of the new jewel tone gem colors. It's the green. Tiki sent me the green, the blue, and the magenta, and Kitten Jess wanted the magenta, and it wasn't my favorite anyways, so I sent that one to her. And then I think Kirsten said like give me either, and I don't remember actually if she, like now that I'm thinking about it, if she wanted the green or the blue, but she said give me either. And I think that the day that I like brought it and I just grabbed whichever was on top. So Kirsten, if you want the green, let me know. But otherwise, I ended up with the green, which I think works out perfectly for this little setup. Like I said, so minimal. I might end up putting like maybe a picture of like Nick in here or the kids or something, like maybe Nick here and then the kids here. Like when I have a good one, we're getting like newborn pictures done soon. But I think that'd be cute to put in here and just kind of like do something a little bit personal. But otherwise, like it's very minimal. But I think that that's good. And also this is my, this will be like 6 months. I'm still keeping it 6 months in each. And then I'm probably going to switch to maybe like a white planner for the second half of the year, or black. I think I want to do one of those for the second half of 2022. But the first half of 2022 is my 30th birthday. So I thought I wanted to do, I mean, not that like every planner isn't like all the things that I love, but I wanted to put like all the things that I love into the setup because my birthday's in April. It's going to be my 30th birthday. And, the kit that I'm using for my 30th birthday is a labyrinth kit. And I feel like, I don't know if I bought this or if Kirsten bought me this. I don't know why I feel like Kirsten got it for me. If you did, thanks Kirsten. But if not, I mean, like, I'm just going to pretend you did. But I found this and I was like, I was either going to use a Slytherin print or this, but the Slytherin was like super green, but not a green that matched. And this one just kind of felt like a vibe because it then has like a lot of the things that I love in it. So basically I have Post Malone because y'all know I love Post Malone. And then we have some Disney stuff. We have an LV sticker. I believe the Post Malone, I'll link down below. If not, you can just go on Etsy and write like Post Malone white suit sticker. And then I have 2 clips. This one's from Estelle. I don't remember who this one's from. And then I have some paper in here from the Honeybee shop, I believe. So you have like a Disney element. And then I believe that this is from Sparkly Paper Co. Maybe. Not 100% sure, but it's a clear sticker with silver foil. And then over here, I just have an A with a bow because I love bows. And this is the Fox and Pip sticker. It's a decal, a vinyl with sparkly black. And then this is just a print that I cut down of Ludo from the Labyrinth. But I feel like the colors like look really nice together. And I just put this on here just in case I want to add any more stickers, or if I decide I don't like want this on here, I can just like take it off. So basically that is like my setup. It's super basic. I have everything in here with like little cardstock on the bottom so it doesn't wiggle around too much. Like I said, I might add 2 pictures in here, but nothing crazy. And I don't have anything in the back, like literally at all. I might put like a sticker sheet or something in here later, but nothing crazy. And I did remove the string. I didn't even notice before that the string hole area is different than before. I do like this better. I feel like if you wanted to put a charm on here, it'd be way easier. Lila is not sleeping, but she's not crying. She's just like wiggling. I have to go in and see like what's up. She's definitely tired though. But this is the old way that it was. So it's kind of impossible to get it back in there. And also I think this just looks nicer because it looks more like finished versus just holes in it. So I didn't even notice that whenever I was like filming my like thoughts on this. But I thought that looked really nice. Also easier if you want to put the string back in if you change your mind. I don't have any pens or anything in here. And this is silver, which is just, I mean, I guess yes, last year I used silver too, but I'm a gold girl. But hopefully Tiki brings out more Gemstone colors with gold because that'd be awesome. So then as far as my inserts and stuff goes, I do have this little piece of acetate in here. This is also from Sparkly Paper Co. And this is just the vertical design of that and of the like luxe with the fox and pip bow. Pretty sure it's from Sparkly Paper Co. But I have this in like every foil color. And she also sells it in... oh no, she's sleeping. In horizontal. So I just put that in there because I wanted to bring in a little bit more of the silver vibes. Like I said, I'm not a big silver person, but I think that like, especially with this color, because it's more of a cool tone green, I think it works. Then just for my inserts, I decided not to do tabs, like to put in like the plastic ones. And I decided against using dashboards because I did do a whole video, which I'll link down below or try to remember to, where I show everything that Tiki or Estelle came out with for the 2022 calendar year. And she came out with dashboards, but I decided to not use them as of right now, but who actually knows like what I'm going to do. But for now, I just have the inserts in here. So if you didn't see that video, basically the 2022 inserts are neutral, and then you can add in dashboards or add in tabs. So here is the front page. Then you have the year at a glance on 2 page. Then you have this here, which is like an overview where you can put a full box sticker in here. Girlfriend's still wiggling. And then this is split into 2 2-page spreads. And then you have a quote, some grid paper, and then you go right into January, which also I haven't decided if I want to do monthlies or not. I find them, if you do them prior, I don't know enough about my life to put in here. Most of my plan ahead is either in my phone, which is all family related because Nick obviously needs to know what's going on, and be able to add things, change things. And then also for work, I have a new planner this year. Last year I did use just like a regular Amazon planner, mostly because I started mid-year and I didn't want to spend like any money on it basically. But this one also was very inexpensive. I'm going to haul it in my December haul. So that'll be coming up like the first week of January. But little preview, this is the planner. And I do a lot of my work planning in here. And I also kind of want to do some meal planning possibly, because that has nothing to do with Nick or him needing to know anything. But I'll do videos in the monthly view and then do my weekly to-do list, which basically has pre-planned of a set amount of things per week, and then during the week I add extra things. So this is by Mochi Things or something like that. I'll try to remember to link it down below. If not, it'll be in my haul. I don't really know what I put in here because like I said, planning ahead, I don't know everything. And then back planning kind of seems redundant whenever I'm doing like a full-blown weekly. So I don't know. I really want to because I love my weekly kits and they always seem so fun and I like watching other people's monthlies, but I just don't know like what to put in here. I thought about doing like kid highlights and like doing like maybe like anytime they do something really funny or a milestone or something like that, I could write it in. But yeah, otherwise I got nothing. So I don't know about that. Last year I just taped them together. So that's kind of what I do usually. Then I have the weekly view here. And then what I did was I took one of the, actually I could probably cut slits in this too. Let's do that right now. So I took one of the, what are these called? What is this? Divider? Is it a divider or a tab? I don't know, one or the other, whatever we want to call it. So I took one of the dividers, the first one obviously, and I cut it down to be a bookmark. I do have a bookmark in my other one, but it has like Disney stickers on it, and I thought this would be like really nice and like minimal. And I just went ahead and added one of the blank stickers on top so it stuck out a little bit. So I used the pink. Could have used the silver, but I think the pink is kind of like a nice little pop on there. I don't think it's too like obnoxious. And I'm going to use this as my like this week little tab thing, and I just trimmed it where the edge was. So that's my little hack there. So then you just have the whole year, and then as I get to July, I'll like transfer X over. One thing I did do in my last planner, which I probably will do again, but I'll probably just do with all silver this year, is I did put in these like glitter pages. So I have to go through and just finish decorating these, but I did add like glue, like sticker roller on this like glitter paper. It's not super thick. It's from Amazon. Try remember to link it down below. And then you can see I did tape the monthlies together, but I just think it adds a little bit something like every page. And this year I did do alternating gold and silver. And let me know if you guys want to see a flip through in the comments down below of my old planners, because I can do that. But yeah, that's basically it. I did nothing else. That is my planner setup for 2022. I hope that y'all liked it. I did do, like I said, a poll, and I think only 8 people said that they didn't want to see it, and then there was like 500 plus that said they did. So I was like, you know what? We're gonna film it. So that is my 2022 planner setup. I hope y'all liked it. I am very excited to start the new year. As for my New Year's spread, I think that I am gonna do the New Year's spread in here and not in my other planner. I know a lot of people double plan it, but I'm just tired. So I think that last year I did my New Year's spread just in this planner too. Yeah. So I think I'm just going to stick to that and continue on that tradition. But I think if there is 2 like New Year's spreads, go for it. Like 2 New Year's kits you want to use and you want to go all out, go crazy, go wild, and just do it. So that is everything for this video, and I will talk to y'all in my next one.